Guys, this is the time for the $500 trading tip, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. In case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay. So if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So I will be starting with GainX 1200. Okay, let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 1200. This had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance, it wasn't able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend, which came to an end at this point, and of course went back up to see if it will be able to break out above that resistance zone, but it has not been able to break out from there. So right from there, it's trying to go back on downtrend. So it will be selling more at the moment. So we expect it to get to this region first, and if it breaks out from here this time around, then it's going to sell more. Then we are most likely to find it around here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, so quickly, let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. And of course, just where we are seeing this had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from here at this point. Okay, so he tried to go back on downtrend, but didn't go too far before turning back around. So breakout above the previous resistance zone, and of course, it is still buying right now. Like I've always been telling you, there is no resistance zone that cannot be broken. Okay, if the market is ready to break it, okay, and there is no support zone that cannot be broken. So even though you have seen that it is at the resistance zone, I will always advise you to always use your stop loss to reduce the loss that can occur in case the market decided to misbehave. Okay, so this is exactly what happened around there. And of course, guys, it went back to break out above this resistance zone. Of course, it gave us a little profit before doing that. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be PayNext 1200. Okay, I dropped this particular um signal within the market, and of course it's going on very well. Just where we are seeing the chart, it was, I mean, few days ago we were able to sell it till this very moment. Right from there, it tried to go back on uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, a major one, came back on downtrend again till it got to this particular support zone. This time around, it picked up from here, gave us buy signal, and it has been buying since then. Okay, it has gotten to our 4 CP second TP, almost there right now. It should be getting there at this point. Okay, so once it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this particular point. I'm going to make our third TP at this point. Okay, so for those of you who are watching this video, congratulations to you guys. Make sure it breaks out from here first before you target this point. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is Paynex 999, and of course, just where we are saying this had been on uptrend for days. Okay, but after getting to this resistance, it wasn't able to break up from there, and it has been selling since then, and it's going to sell more. I expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so once it gets here, it's most likely for it to have some pullbacks around here, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. This has been on uptrend for a very long time, and it has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, and of course it's going to be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back fully into a downtrend. So we should watch out for that. This is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So watch out for all the necessary um signals on the charts if you are using the same trading tool that I am using or having on the chart at the moment. Okay, so watch out for the necessary signals before you follow up with the sell signal for that particular asset. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you need to perfect your trading skill, kindly watch my videos on how to trade successfully on all these assets, and make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying the strategies out on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.